Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can create our own comic. Correct? Everyone loves to read comics, correct? Why? Because of the because of the cartoons like that, correct? So which are the famous one? Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, or any our TV cartoons we can say Shinchan, Chota Bheem, Tom and Jerry, correct? So now today we are going to create our own comic. So in this video we are going to see how we can create a comic. First search Google, then search for MakeBeliefsComix. Okay, this is a website. Why we are going to use this website? Because this website is free to use. It doesn't require money. We don't require to pay for this, so we are going to use this. Then second thing, one more thing, if you create a comic on this, you can share via copy link, share via, here you can see email also, and print the comic. Okay, here you can write the author name, means who is creating the comic. Here you can write the comic name, whatever comic name you want to give. I had given garden, and here is my name. Okay, when you sign up, whatever comic you had created, it will get automatically saved to your account, email account, whichever. For example, we had created Gmail, so it will store in my Gmail account. Now here you can see these white sheets. These are called as panels. By default there are 3 panels. If you want to add, you can add, but at what limit you can add? You can add up to maximum 18 panels. Okay, if you want more than that, then you need to simply create one more comic. For that we cannot extend above 18. Okay, now here are few tools which are called as, first one is flip, second one is scale, third one is bring front to back, then flip, and last one is delete. Okay, I will show you what are the uses. Now here you can see at the bottom there are multiple characters we can take, and here are characters, backgrounds, balloon, everything. Okay, for example, for first one I want a background color. Okay, I want this background color. Okay, you can select from here whichever background color you want. Okay, for example this one. Done. Now here I don't want this type of same background color. Now I want to change the background, so simply come back. Here you can see background option. You can select any background option you want. There are n numbers of background options. For example, I will take this Mars type, Mars or this. Okay, now we will see the use of this move. Here you can see when it is press on any particular option, then it is active. Move means you can move the things. It is not like that you can move only backdrop or anything. If there are characters, we can move that. Okay, understood? We will adjust it accurately. Okay, now scale. Which is scale means we can shrink the object or increase the size of that particular object. Okay, you can see now it is scaling, means increasing and decreasing size, correct, which we had learned in OpenOffice Impress. Scale. Okay, then third one is bring front to back. For that we need one more object. Okay, we will come back, we will choose a character. Okay, there are multiple characters. For example, we will choose this clone. Okay, here are then multiple what we can say poses. Whichever pose you want, you can select. Done. Now when it is move means we can move the clone, correct. Share means we need to click on that particular, then we can do. Now bring front and back. It is in the front, correct, and the wallpaper is at background. But if I click on now background, the clone will get disappear, correct. Where the clone got, it get beside the wallpaper, as you can see, correct, means it will move backward. If I select back to front and now on clone and back to front, you can see the clone got to the front, means we can send things back or front like that. Now flip. Everyone know the use of flip. Flip means it will flip, correct, like this. You can see it is flipping. Now if I want to delete that clone, simply delete, select the clone, delete. If I want to delete the background, select, delete. Understood? Like this we can create n numbers of Here you can see multiple characters are there. You can select any character whichever you like. For example, this peacock are having multiple. See, it is having, we can add like this. Okay, and then we can scale depending on the size, and we can create. For that we need a backdrop of jungle, correct? We will go in backdrops. Jungle preferred. No, that this one is much better, suitable also, like this. Okay, we will move, scale, we'll put this here, this peacock here, this peacock here. If you want, we can flip also. For example, we will put all these in a same line. Done. Like this, he is storing something, and we will see they are listening to him. Done. Is it good? One more thing. Now if you want to add any, for example, he is talking, then we will add balloons and prompt. From here also you can add multiple text. Okay, for example, like this, there are multiple, whichever you like. We will take like this small one, click here, my bad, hello. Okay, scale small, hello. Done. Like this. We will add one more for him. I am tired. Okay, scale, and we will smaller this, and now move. Correct. So like this you can share. Now you can share, print, email, everything. Okay, if you want to print, you can print like this. It will get print of that particular comic. If you want to save to image disk, it will save as image. If you want to save online, you need to sign up, as I told you, correct? Write your name, email address, and if you want to send to multiple people, you can add their names here, so it will send to that particular person from here only. Okay, that's all for this video. If anyone is having any doubt, you can pin down in comment. Thank you so much class. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.